So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to edit image contrast here on, I'll just go ahead and type it here quick, here on Google Docs. So once you have your image selected, mine is right here, go ahead and select it, then go down and press on the three dots right here where it says image options, and then select all image options. In this page right here, it'll open up on the right side. Go down to where it says adjustments, and if you were to go to contrast right here, you can slide this bar to increase contrast to the right. If you want to decrease it, you can slide it to the left. You can also just use the arrows right here to go up and to go down. Or if you want to type in a custom number like 30, for example, you can type in that. If all looks good, you can go ahead and press out. If you want to reset it, you can press reset it and just kind of play around this way. But there you go. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. That is how to edit image contrast here on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.